presentation of iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9, Apple canceled the event due to coronavirus. Apple planned to introduce a new generation of budget iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9. The exact name is still unknown March 31st. But now the source said that this month's presentation should not be expected. According to DigiTimes, referring to its own sources, they decided to postpone the announcement of a new budget smartphone to the second quarter of this year. According to a source, the fact is that due to an outbreak of coronavirus, there are delays in the supply of some components. In addition, the company seeks to avoid the spread of the virus, and hold a conference that would bring together more than 1,000 people is not reasonable. In addition, authorities in the Santa Clara County, where Apple Park headquarters are located, have officially banned such events. At the March presentation, according to analytical reports and leaks, Apple could show the second generation iPhone SE2 smartphone, known as the iPhone 9, and update the iPad Pro. Due to the coronavirus epidemic, the 2020 MWC exhibition has been cancelled, as well as the Facebook F8 and Google I/O 2020 conferences. What is known about the iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9? According to leaks, the iPhone 9 will be the new generation of the budget SE iPhone. Its design will resemble the iPhone 8. The smartphone is credited with a 4.7-inch display, 3 GB of RAM, up to 128 GB of storage. It will be equipped with an A13 Bionic processor, like the iPhone 11. The novelty is rumored to be priced at $400.